Since I have known her, Chae has dreamed of this day and of a partner she can depend on and build a life with. Through heartaches, I have dreamed of a good man for my best friend. The yin to her yang, the calm to her adventurous, the sweet to her spicy. All past suitors failed to treat her with the love, respect, and support such an incredible person like her deserves. Then in came Chris. Unlike the rest, and way better than the best, he was her match in every sense. They balanced each other, and I got to watch, from a distance across the Atlantic, them fall in love. I got to see Chae find her home for the first time. How Chris gets her in every way that very few people understand. He grounds her when life feels out of control, and she motivates him to dream big and chase after his dreams. This protective best friend cannot think of a better pair. They are there for each other when things are fun and joyful, yes, but also when life gets hard, they figure it out together. I have gotten to see up close in the last 6 months exactly how they tackle problems together, and it's incredible. I know they will be just as dedicated and supportive of the family they are creating together here today. So today, my friends, let's celebrate the love of the couple before us. Cheers to the incredible life you have already created together, and this next chapter in an already beautiful love story. Cheers to Chae and Chris.
What makes marriage so powerful is that it's not just about perfection, but partnership. Two people choosing again and again to walk the same path, to support one another, to grow side by side. And so seeing Chae and Chris together today, it's clear they've not just found love, but a true teammate for the journey ahead.
Marriage is not just about the love, it's about the everyday things that you do. And it's about sharing those moments, whether they be laughter, the morning coffees, or even those quiet moments when you have a bad day and you just are there with your partner. So those are those days. So I bless both of you, and I wish you every success in your marriage. Okay? Thank you.
I've just been so privileged to be able to spend more time with you. And I can't believe how lucky I am that I'm going to be able to spend the rest of my life with you in our home together. I love you, Chae, and I cannot picture my life without you. You're my best friend, and now you're my wife. And I couldn't be happier about that.